Alright, so today we have some Jamaicans trying some Japanese drinks.
Noel, taste tester for the day.
Hey, my name is Duane, and I don't know why I hate myself because I did this already and I'm back again.
And I am Bella.
Okay, so the first drink we're gonna try called calpis. Calpis, very popular drink for the kids in Japan.
This give me a medicine vibes.
It smells like medicine.
Like medicine and milk.
Some juice. Like a cough syrup.
So how you carry medicine on the plane? Is that legal? This is medicine.
Kids drink this all the time.
I don't think it's terrible. Just not for me.
It's an interesting taste.
It's like them throw sugar in milk.
And water it down a little bit.
Yeah.
With a little bit of Sprite.
I don't hate it, but it's not something that I would buy or drink with my own money.
Or give my children.
Or that. Guarantee I'm not drinking off all of these things.
I feel like I would probably drink this, but like fast.
When?
I don't
Would you
know.
drink
It's
this?
not terrible, but it's not good.
I mean, if you were choking,
This one is
like
this
a bit
is
Yeah, you don't have a choice.
This is a thick one, Fizz water. So it's a flavored water with the calpis flavor.
using the term water loosely.
Right? Since this is water, it should be a diluted version of what we just said, right?
It's refreshing though.
But I always find diluted versions worse than the original.
No, this one is
Yeah, I
actually
don't
better.
like cran water.
Oh,
I
love
like
cran
cranberry
water.
juice or
I
I
love
like
cran
water, but not cran water.
Nah,
Okay, so this is calpis water.
calpis. This one, calpis.
Calpis.
as Jamaicans.
What is a calpis?
I don't know
the name of the
Is that
company?
Is it the
Plant?
brand?
the brand of.
This kind of tastes like Kisco.
I'm gonna take a shot.
Not bad,
I
right?
agree.
It's not bad, right?
It
It's
tastes
not
like
terrible.
This one can drink.
it was like a hot day. Could I drink this? Like just chug it.
Bag juice, how like a bag juice flavor.
Next we got what do I personally favorite? Green dakara. Green dakara. So it's like
Smell nice.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Don't really taste like nothing.
Don't like
Like a lychee, not juice.
Or like a light aloe vera juice.
Aloe vera, yes. Yes.
it. I don't like it.
I do this thing.
wow,
guys.
Bella.
It just reminded me of a medication I was taking one time. Like,
Oh yeah, man. Okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Alright, so now we're on to the alcohol portion.
Kind of have a Gatorade taste too.
kind of have a Gatorade taste.
Very diluted Gatorade.
This is a drink that all the foreigners drink in Japan. When you get there, this gets you there quickly. It's similar to
Four Loko.
Four Loko. There we go. So this is strong zero lemon. Wait, let me read this properly. Double grapefruit. 9% alcohol. And then this is the dry flavor. Which
9%.
9%.
Look a bit of.
No, drink two. Like you want to take it to
Sponsorship.
yourself.
I'm very excited about this one, by the way.
Okay. I like it.
I like this one.
Yeah. I was expecting it to be bad.
So let them squeeze out
Kind of tastes
two
like ting.
grapefruit in there.
It's a double grapefruit though. So
Yeah, this is a thing on steroids, guys.
yes.
Aftertaste, that's there. It's not a bad aftertaste, but there is something that hits you in the back of your throat.
Bubbly.
And they claim it's 0 calories. So-
Allegedly.
Strong
I don't
zero.
I don't believe that, but
Okay.
So this is a dry. A lot of foreigners
Don't
don't
like it.
acquired taste dry. So it's like a gin type.
Alright.
I don't know. I smell like perfume.
Yes.
Yeah,
Classic smell.
give me a gin vibe. I like gin, so
Definitely. And have a tonic water.
Yeah.
I like it actually. People that like gin will like this.
I like gin, but I don't like. I don't know why.
Yeah, but what you drink gin with? Exactly. So this is kind of like
I'm not mad at it, but I would not buy it. If you offer it to me, I might drink it.
fit in on this.
If I was out and it was the only thing there,
Yeah.
I would enjoy it.
Yeah. It ain't bad. Not great either.
Only 5%.
Kirin.
This is the Kirin pineapple Chu-hais. Chu-hais.
I add so much things on it.
Smells
Mm,
very
it
sweet.
smells sweet.
It smells like a nice pineapple.
I mess with this.
I like this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tastes like something that I would drink as a child, but then an adult version of it.
It kind of tastes like a box juice, a pineapple box juice.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, bring
Pineapple soda,
bring
like
me
a
a case of
lighter
this next
pineapple
time.
soda. This has alcohol.
Yeah, yeah, it's 5%.
Also not bad.
This is my favorite so far.
Same.
me be a nice chaser.
What did he say?
Should I save this for last?
What?
Make it.
You like the must set me up here, man.
Now, Chu-hais, Momo flavor. So this is peach flavored, 3%. So this is, can I get a color in this one? No, cloudy.
This this smells like the soju.
I'm trying to bring
This
it
This is
gone.
the lychee vibes, no?
Like I love the smell. It reminds me of soju, so you know. And I love soju.
Or
This is
peach.
fully
Peachy.
peach. What?
Yeah, that's it. Peach.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Yeah, nice like a peach juice, you
I would
know?
probably buy it.
Like an alcoholic
It tastes
refresher.
similar to this one,
Yeah.
but just peach instead of pineapple or artificial pineapple.
The alcoholic within me would probably put a little more alcohol in there.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was saying. There's
What
like the nice
percentage?
chasers.
That's 3%.
I'm gonna chase the alcohol with alcohol.
Yeah, white rum and Magnum. Red Bull
Who
and
does
Guinness. I've seen
White
it.
rum and Magnum.
Because I'm an alcoholic.
Magnum and Guinness. Red Bull and Guinness.
Alright, I'm not that level of alcoholic.
You can't.
Yeah.
It's
This
nice, but
is
it's
the
okay.
this is the Chu-hais, the ume Chu-hais, which is a Japanese plum.
It smells foody. It don't smell like a drink. It smells like food.
Like this.
This is like a sweetie in a can.
It's like a. Yeah,
Oh,
I'm gonna
Emotional damage.
kind of. Oh. This is disgusting.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Kinda
You don't like it?
kinda like the tartness of it.
It surprised me so much.
You don't like it?
No.
If you put a little bit of this with any alcohol, it will mask the whole alcohol taste.
Like a cranberry.
Yeah, I feel like
Exactly.
you could add
yes.
it in like a mixed drink or something. But
Yeah, so this is
Alright, so which one
This
you
is
guys,
an
which one is the
ideal
worst? Which one is the best?
best.
worst.
best.
Probably the
Best.
dry one would be the worst. Yeah, this is definitely the
Which
best.
one did make taste like medicine? I don't know where. Is there something missing from here?
The
Oh.
first one, the milky one.
Wait, we're done?
There's no more.
Oh wow.
Which one?
Okay.
Oh, this one. Worst.
Was it?
Yeah, this calpis,
Copy, yeah.
whatever you call it.
Yeah.
This is the worst one. Alright. This tastes like medicine.
I don't
I
remember
thought
that
this.
one.
I thought this was the worst one.
Oh, no. No. No.
Really?
Really?
Because it just reminded me of
The lychee one.
The medicine.
yeah. So it's like this,
Or
and
the
the
aloe
dry.
vera one. Cinco Bible juice.
All the bad ones.
Oh,
over
that was the
there.
aloe vera. Okay,
So bad ones.
the best.
The best one. Can-
Facts.
Like I'm not sure about them here. Like
What
I
about
liked
peach?
that one.
You like-
The
oh.
strong zero.
then this. Yeah.
That one was just okay.
So I have the bad and the good.
Man, look up it.
This is what in between.
Is this in between?
I feel like this in between. This was the
This
plum
is the
one.
last one.
So fail,
I like
almost
this,
pass,
actually.
pass. Johnny.
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 Big up on yourself.
Johnny.